Are you tired of using inefficient mops that leave your floors dirty, streaky, or too wet? Look no further. This Bomidi spin mop and bucket system is here to transform your cleaning routine and provide you with a superior experience that saves you time, effort, and water. With its innovative dual-compartment mop bucket, thick washable microfiber pads, and user-friendly design, this mop set is built to meet the needs of every home, making it the perfect addition to your cleaning supplies. Why choose the Bomidi spin mop and bucket system? Efficient water use keeps floors hygienic with clean water only. Versatile, works for both wet and dry mopping. Durable and comfortable, stainless steel and adjustable handle for easy use. 360-degree rotation, cleans corners and tight spaces effortlessly. Compact design, easy to store and portable. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Bomidi spin mop is its clean water and sewage separation system. Unlike traditional mop systems that often mix dirty water with clean water, the Bomidi system ensures that only clean water touches your floors, keeps floors cleaner. With the separation of clean and dirty water, you don't have to worry about spreading germs or dirt around your home. Only fresh water is used to mop your floors, ensuring a cleaner, more hygienic finish. Water-saving design. The system uses minimal water to clean, which means you don't have to waste gallons of water to get sparkling floors. It's eco-friendly and helps you reduce water consumption, making it ideal for those who want to be more sustainable. The Bomidi spin mop is built with durability in mind. The basket, wringer, pallet, and handle are all made from sturdy stainless steel and high-quality PP plastic, ensuring the mop can handle heavy-duty cleaning without falling apart. You won't have to worry about pedal breakage like with other spin mops. No pedal fractures. Traditional spin mops with pedals often suffer from pedal breakage, but the Bomidi system eliminates this issue, making it more reliable and long-lasting. Adjustable handle for comfort. The handle is adjustable, ranging from 37 inches to 61 inches, so you can customize the height to suit your needs. This means you don't have to bend over while cleaning, preventing back pain and providing a more comfortable experience for people of all heights. The Bomidi spin mop is designed for both wet and dry mopping, giving you the flexibility to clean a variety of messes with ease. Wet mopping. The microfiber mop pads are highly absorbent, allowing you to quickly and efficiently soak up spills, dirt, and grime on floors, leaving them streak-free and shining. Dry dusting. Use the mop head for dry cleaning to remove dust, pet hair, and debris. The microfiber pads attract dust and dirt, trapping it without pushing it around the floor. The 360-degree rotating mop head is perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach places. Whether you're tackling corners, edges, or under furniture, the mop head's full range of motion makes it easy to maneuver into those tricky spots. Effortless cleaning. The rotating mop head gives you maximum control and flexibility, allowing you to clean all areas of your home without straining your back or bending down. Cleaning tight spaces. It's perfect for cleaning under furniture, around baseboards, and in between furniture legs, places where traditional mops may not be able to reach. No more getting stuck in corners or struggling to clean hard-to-reach spaces. With the Bomidi spin mop, every corner will be spotless. The Bomidi spin mop and bucket system is designed to be compact and easy to store, making it perfect for homes with limited storage space. Space saving. The compact bucket and mop system can be conveniently stored in a closet or utility room without taking up too much space. Easy to transport. The mop comes with 4 wheels, making it easy to move the bucket from room to room without lifting or dragging heavy equipment. Additionally, the pull and carry handles provide extra convenience, making it easy for anyone to use. The bucket's scraping teeth are a unique feature that helps you clean your mop head without touching the dirty water. The teeth help to remove hair, debris, and dirt from the mop head, ensuring that it's always clean and ready for the next round of mopping. No more hand cleaning. With the built-in scraping teeth, you can easily remove hair and other debris from the mop head, so you don't have to get your hands dirty. Easy water and detergent filling. The bucket features an injection port and outlet that make it easy to add water and detergent, so you can refill the bucket without any mess. No more struggling to pour dirty water or worrying about spills. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.